Try these irresistible zucchini slices for your next recipe, perfect for dinner or lunch. So delicious, you won't be able to stop eating them. To begin, we wash a couple of zucchinis, tap them dry, and then slice them into thin slices, just like that. Make sure they are not too thin so they won't break easily when we fry them. Once they are all done, we place them into a bowl and sprinkle them with salt. I like to do this in layers so salt can get on all of them since we have a bunch of zucchini slices. This will help to draw the water out and also soften them, which is a good thing because water and oil don't mix well, right? So you don't want all that splattering oil everywhere. So this is why it's important to first draw the water out from the zucchini slices before frying them in oil. And now we are going to set them aside for half an hour. To make the batter, we are going to break 2 large eggs into a bowl, add a sprinkle of salt, about a pinch, and a 1/4 cup of cold water. Then we are going to whisk them together until frothy and well blended. Next, we are going to add 1/4 cup of flour and whisk it all together until all flour has been incorporated. The batter should look like a thinner pancake batter. One way to check if it's thick enough is to drop a zucchini slice in the batter, and if it coats it well, then it should be okay to fry. Drop a zucchini, and if it stays on it, then it means it's okay to go ahead and fry it. I'm going to set this aside for 5 minutes, and while it's sitting, it will thicken a little bit more. So take that into consideration. Now the zucchini has been resting for half an hour, and look at all the water that I can drain from them. So the zucchini has softened and now it's ready to be fried. So make sure you drain all the liquid before you proceed. To fry the zucchinis, place a non-stick pan on medium heat and add enough oil to cover the bottom of the pan. Let the oil become hot, and once it's hot, then drop the zucchini slices into the batter and then place them into the hot oil. Carefully so you don't burn yourself. For me, it just seems easier to use my fingers, but if you are not comfortable, then please use a fork or tongs. Fry them until they are golden brown. Once they become golden, then turn them over and fry them on the other side. Are you enjoying this video? Help me out by hitting the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Also, share my recipe with others, family and friends. They might enjoy it as well. Once they are fried on both sides, then take them out and place them on a paper towel lined plate, and this will help to remove the excess oil. Once the first round is done, you might need to replace some of the oil. So place some more oil into the pan and then proceed with the second round of zucchinis. I can't resist. I need to try one. So good. So here they are. They are all done. I'm ready to serve them. I made rice with veggies and dinner has been served. Give it a try and let me know what you think. See you on the next video.